Hey guys, Alicia here. I am so excited because I got a box of goodies from Icing Images today, and I'm going to open it because I'm not even sure what's in here. So let's open it and see what I got. Okay, so we have, let me see. So this is it's a silk screen kit. Wait, oh my gosh, adhesive vinyl. Okay, that is really cool. We'll have to play with that. And then let's see what I got here. Stencil sheets. Oh, this is cool. So we can make some cookie stencils. That's really cool. And let's see, more stencil sheets. My goodness. Okay, so this is really cool. We've got some instructions. Whoa, and look at this. It is a food safe fondant, gum paste, and modeling chocolate mat. Okay, that's going to be really cool to play with. And oh, there's really neat settings on here. Okay, really excited about that. And then, okay, we got a silhouette cameo mat. And there's instruction here too. Look at that. That is really cool. Okay, really excited about that. And then, what are these? Oh, this is isomalt. Okay, I've been dying to play with isomalt. And it looks like gold isomalt. Okay, this is so cool. Let's see, we've got some instructions. There's so much cool stuff in here. Oh, and there's some really cool, beautiful filament. Okay, look at that color. Can you guys see that? That pink? Oh, love, 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 love. And then I've got some red filament. Okay, that's gonna be really pretty. Okay, we have to see that. Let's take a look at that. Can you guys see this? Okay. Okay, slow opening. Oh, that's really pretty too. That's gonna be fun. And let's see what else we got here. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. This is crazy. And then this, let's see, what do we got here? Okay, so this is a Canon printhead cleaning system. Okay, so this is to clean the printhead for my Canon edible ink printer, which is over here. And I haven't cleaned it yet. I just got it like a month ago, but I haven't cleaned it. Gotta do that. Okay, well, oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to edit this video. This is so much cool stuff. Okay, so then here we have edible image print on sheets. So these are, looks like these are frosting sheets. Yep. Got some very cool frosting sheets, wafer paper, a bunch of wafer paper. Wafer paper is really cool. Okay, what else do we have here? We've got some markers, which, you know what? We're gonna play with these in the silhouette. I haven't done edible ink markers in the silhouette yet. That's gonna be really fun. Okay, what else do we have? We have some more frosting sheets. Cool. Lots of frosting sheets. Oh my goodness, so many frosting sheets. I am going to be making such cool stuff. So these are Flex Frost edible fabric sheets and instant lace. Oh, gold, silver, bronze, pearl, and rose gold. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's really... Okay, we're gonna have to play with that later, and oh, this is so awesome. So excited. And then we have, let's see what else. Textured icing sheets. I'm not even sure what these are. Those are really cool. Okay, and a scraper, let's see, for wafer paper. Oh, this is like to scrape it down to like get it down on your mat. Okay. And then, what else do I have? High-res frosting sheets have a smooth finish. Okay, those are going to be awesome. What's this? We got more. What else is this? Okay, edible ink cartridges. Okay, so right now I'm filling my own, which is fine, and you have to do that, but it's nice to have some backup cartridges because when you're in the middle of an edible ink printing job and your cartridge goes out, it's really a bummer. So that's a really nice thing to have. I don't have backups right now. So let's see what else we got here. These are, let me see, what are these? And then a refill kit. Fabulous. Oh, with lots of ink. You need this. You need lots of ink. Okay. What else do I have? And then I've got here the pen holder. Okay, so I don't have this either. So with those edible ink markers, I will be, oh, this is so cool, be able to do edible ink markers on frosting sheets. I've never done that. That's gonna be really neat. Okay, what else do we have? One more thing, I think. Okay, I don't want to forget it all. Oh my gosh, so much fun stuff in here. I have a giant like Christmas pile here. And then these are the world's best edible paper. That's what it says on here. So more frosting sheets. Okay, so how cool is all this stuff? I cannot wait to get started on this, and we're gonna have some demos coming very soon. But if you want to learn how to use frosting sheets and do print and cuts and some 3D cookie cutters at CookieCon, I'm doing 2 demos. So join me, okay? Bye guys.